Whova is not just for face-to-face conferences and expos. Recently, we have also helped many organizers move their events online. With our recent integration with Zoom, Google Meetings, and other various conferencing and video services, your attendees can easily attend your sessions and also actively participate in the app through live polls, live Q&A, and also through our discussion board. They can also virtually network with each other even before the event starts. Let's start with what your attendees will see. In the event agenda of the Whova Event App, sessions that have live streaming or videos are marked with this video icon. Then, clicking into the session, attendees can directly join the live stream or watch the recorded video by selecting from the available options. In addition to iPhone or Android phones, your attendees can also watch their presentations on a bigger screen through their computers at home on Whova's web application. To keep your virtual event engaging and interactive, attendees can ask questions through our live Q&A feature. They can post their questions before and during the session. They'll also see questions from other attendees and have the option to upvote them. Speakers and moderators can then select the ones to answer. They can also pin up the popular questions up at the top and even hide any inappropriate ones. Moderation can be conveniently done inside the Whova app. And that's not it. Attendees can also send private in-app messages to each other to make connections. Additionally, in the community board, they can find organizer announcements, ask questions, and even create their own interesting conversation topics and set up virtual meetups. The community board is a favorite to many attendees because it makes everyone feel so connected, even when people are remote. And that's why we've received a 4.9 rating in the Google Play Store from almost 9,000 reviewers. Finally, looking to get your audience's feedback? Use a live poll here. It is a fun way to make your event more interactive. In addition to the poll, you can also use Whova for surveys and session feedback. To set up a virtual event, it is quite easy for organizers and done through the Whova Organizer dashboard. After you set up your agenda, simply provide your live streaming and video URLs. We support almost all commonly used live streaming and video platforms such as Zoom, Google Meetings, YouTube, Vimeo, and others. Lately, tens of events have used us to help organize their virtual conferences successfully.
With the Whova app, we were so quickly able to just change it into a virtual event. I was able to go into the agenda, quickly add recorded videos. Attendees were actually able to watch the videos and then comment and ask questions, and our speakers were able to be right there to answer questions just like they would in a workshop. So that was wonderful. And then of course our community board, that is what kept us all connected throughout the day. We had over 2,000 messages. There were lots of virtual meetups that were set up. That people were even saying, hey, I've set this Google Hangout up here, come meet us here. So we had lots of different ways and venues that people quickly connect here. I was so thankful because I cannot express how many tips they send me. And my rep, I was able to quickly email her. She quickly emailed me back. So I will have to say that Whova, as far as customer service, they were on top of it and were ready to help us.
Making sure that people could still make connections, because the biggest takeaway from the event is networking. And so when you're not actually face to face with people, that's really tough. And so using Whova to really push out who the speakers are, who the attendees are, encouraging people to take those to the discussion boards on the app and still be able to make good connections even if you can't be there in person. And I'm really proud of how it turned out. And so I think that if you just follow the tips that are already built in with Whova and just maximize everything that you all already offer, all the tools that you need are right there. So just use them, take a deep breath, and you should be okay.
You can create an exciting virtual event with Whova too. Simply let us know and we'll be more than happy to help.